this is my lovely friend, Sandy Thompson, who will be playing the lovely violin as well. We have a bilingual set. Oh, now you can hear me because I'm near the mic. A bilingual set of Welsh and English songs. Felly dwi'n mynd I fod yn siarad yn Gymraeg ac yn Saesneg. I'm going to be speaking in Welsh and English for you. The first song we're going to play is a cover called Aderyn Llwyd. Fwresa blethu'n a phawb mewn dillad parch yn gadael cartref ar lwybr Cil yn ddau a dau yn mynd I gwrdd a ffrind mae sŵn a byd ymhell ac yn sydd mae'r wedi dair yn enyn gobaith rhyfedd mae Sian yn canu yn y cwr yn ei osen eitha mor Yr wedd atgofio mwyn ar nos a dawel heddo hyd yma ni aros yn fewn hell gwell a sŵn y tref o hyd yn cymell rhaid I mi wrando ar y gan dilyn ffordd fy hunan ac dymuniadau hael rhaid I mi gael ymadael Aderyn Llwyd ar adain can Mae yn taifryn hedfen Ar awel fwyn yn fwyn o bro Mae'r byd yn eiddo eiddo Mae'r byd yn eiddo eiddo Daw sŵn y ganddo lefus mi godafau cyfallan yn yr hwyr yr fore Ar fore saboth yn y dre a phawb mewn dillad parch yn gadael cartref ar y lwybr Cil yn ddau ar dau yn mynd. Aderyn Llwyd, Ifan David did some awesome production for our cover of Aderyn Llwyd. Check it out. Our next song, that is quite a high song. You can tell that I have a low voice, and it feels like doing an opera as a soprano. When I get up then it's really not that high. Oh, the voice of a man. Next song is Eryr. Y gan nesaf yw Eryr sydd oddi ar fy EP cyntaf erioed o'r enw No. And yeah, it's a really upbeat song with a really full band, so this is our stripped back version of Eryr. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mae dy eiriau di fel rhwng. Mae dy eiriau di fel eiriau. Disglair ddeilen derwen arian. Mae dy eiriau di fel gyfyn grisiau. And I wrote that song in my final year of university, and I think the girls that I lived with when I wrote that song still haunts them, because I played that so much. So sending my apologies years later, still going. The next song, we're gonna just take it a bit more chill this time. Da ni'n mynd I chwarae I Dy Boced, which was released a while ago now, but I really love playing it. And this one's got a really cool music video. If you haven't seen it, there's a lot of fake blood, teeth falling out, and I'm getting kidnapped. It's really fun. And the song sounds nothing like that at all. Mwynhewch I Dy Boced. That was I Dy Boced, and funnily enough, this song was written after being inspired by the outro that we were just playing. So Sandy and I, a few years ago, we were just having a jam on harp and violin, and it was sounding nice, and it's like, it's got to be a song. Felly, nath o gael ei sgwennu o rhan y diwedd, a gael ei wneud fel la, cael y can ar ôl yr rhan diwedd y gael wedi sgwennu. Yeah, so it's just a fun fact that it was written with the last bit, backwards. And the next song was written in the more traditional form, but just in normal time. And the next song is the newly released single called Mael. Can newydd yr enw Mael newydd ddod allan, gobeithio bod chi wedi bod yn mwynhau fo, a hefyd wedi bod yn gwylio y music video oedd yn lot o hwyl i'w wneud. The music video was so fun to do, really fun. I just let my creepy alter ego loose, and yeah, it's is great if you give it a watch, and if you're a fan of honey, there's a lot of honey in it, so and some other stuff. But let's hear the song. Stripped back version of Mel. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that was Mel, and if you haven't listened to the single yet, go and listen to it anywhere on the internet, possibly. I think so. Lots of synths, lots of all kinds of instruments, violin, clarinet, trumpet, awesome drums, awesome bass, everything. So next song is not released yet. This is a cheeky little peek at one of the songs we've been busy recording. Gael edrych cyn pawb arall ar y gan yma cyn nhw gael ei ryddhau. It's called Pressed and Preserved, and we didn't sadly get to release it last spring because old Rona. So we're really excited. Old Rona. We're really excited to release it really soon. So hope you like it. This is Pressed and Preserved. dancing, counting steps, counting the days I lose myself, I lose it all. To blur. Oh, I'm really excited to release this one. It sounds really nice with the band. We've got Finn O'Hara on the drums, Vincenzo Grande on the bass and the guitar, all the instruments, Claire Elton on trumpet, and you're actually playing viola in this track, so just that one, and you were like, no more viola in the trash, back to violin.
Not at all.
Offended. And I've just put 1,000 clarinets on it as well, because I love the clarinet. That is out really soon. Next up is a song that is not released, as we switch over to some guitar this time. So I'm going to grab my old guitar, which is a bit of a... Oh dear, I was just going to say that it's a bit fragile at this point, and I literally whacked it on... Oh! It doesn't stop! I literally whacked it in the cupboard. I should really take care of this guitar, but clearly there's something within me that doesn't want to. So, again nesaf, dan ni'n mynd I gael can Cymraeg. I'm going to have a Welsh song. And this one is called Eiliad Olaf. As a band, it's quite fun to play this one, because it builds a lot. And we're going to do our best. Not fun.
With me?
It's take it or leave it.
I get it.
I mean, it's all right. We'll see.
That's what you got.
Yeah. Yeah. So if leave us some comments if you like. It's all right. And iawn, yeah. Iawn, yeah. All right. Eiliad olaf. I'm already on the wrong fret. Here we go. Cool. Oh. Come closer. Sorry. That was my Red Riding Hood grandmother. Closer.
That's good.
Thank you. Right. Eiliad olaf. I had to hold myself back from rocking out because I was like, oh, the neighbours. That one's a fun one. Eiliad olaf. Di hwnna ddim allan yn unlla, mae rai chi just gwylio fo mewn gig. Sorry, boys. Oh, thank you. You are one step ahead. You know this very well. Dwi'n mynd I fynd draw i'r gitar arall I chwarae ddau gan. Ooh, hello, little plant. You probably can't see because it's so grainy, but there's a lot of plants, and these have been keeping me company for the past year. These are my friends now.
You do leave your room sometimes.
once. When was the last time? I have all that I need here. 2 songs left. Oh.
That was the first one.
Yeah, that was. The next song is one of the new songs that we've been recording, and that's been on hold for so long because of the pandemic. We recorded it. Thank you. In December 2019, before everything got crazy. And the drums for this track is by Elin Edwards, and it's coming out soon. So here's a little sneaky peek. I Dy Boced. This one's called The Water. Oh, who knew?
He rests his head on her chest. She lays the rest of herself on the riverbed, on soft moss, in the safe mess, cold and content, with the current playing with her head. I was kicking and screaming when she fell in with the water. Then all was forgotten. Hold it in place, a changing shape. The river makes, but it's always gliding off my skin. Its lucid state cannot be wasted. Bathe in a cup your hand and drink it all in. I was kicking and screaming when she fell.
Dyna oedd The Water. And we down to our last song. Dan ni lawr un can olaf. Which is really sad because gigs are rare these days. They really are. We've been playing for the plants and hopefully you at home, wherever you are. And we will be playing a real life gig because they're coming back on, and it's not, I don't know if it's confirmed yet, so it'll be announced soon, but we'll be doing a real life gig on a stage, which will last time on a stage was Dydd Music Cymru, Clwb Bach. Thank you for having us for like the last gig in ages. So we look forward to getting out again and playing with the band again. But we're going to leave you with one last song, Un Can Olaf. Dydy hwn heb di gael ei ryddhau, felly gwrandwch yn astyd, achos dyma di'r unig le I chi glywed o. So listen closely, this is the only place you'll hear it because it's not released. And this is my favourite song to play because it's full of misery. It's Freeze.
I'm not quite here anymore. Still with my creased clothes on that floor. Your calculated kindness means that I can't remember what I can't forget. I want to feel loved. I want to feel loved. But you're seeing red in your defense. I have to sleep in this bed. You're seeing red in your defense. How do I sleep in this bed? So you go confess what's going around. In a way that your love can still have had doubt. Anger bears transformation. So I guess that I became a woman. I want to feel life. I want to feel life. You're seeing red in your defense. I have to sleep in this
And on that solemn note, hope you've enjoyed our online gig. I'm Thallo ydw I, a dyma fy hoff chwaraewr fiddle, my favourite violin player, Sandy Thompson. Leave us some nice comments because we really need to hear nice things in this. Please, share some love. Thank you so much for listening, and hopefully see you in a real life concert in the future sometime soon. Ooh. Check out those new songs really soon as well.